Hello guys, Pete's Birds here with another video. Today I will be making some bird food for my birds. So earlier today I was actually recording a cleaning video. However, it didn't go as planned. While I was editing the video, I already deleted the video I originally recorded. And in the editor, it just wouldn't download, and I got into a position where I need to record videos all in one shot. So, unless someone has something to help me out in the comments below, that is how I will be doing these videos from now on. So first, cut the apple with the apple cutter. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. I'll just cut them in twos just so you guys get some extra content. Very sorry about having you guys download that, but basically the idea is to cut the apple into many little pieces so it's more appetizing for the birds and easier to mix. Got some parsley here. Birds love the parsley. Gonna bunch them up. Pretty good. So good so far. We got all this apples and parsley mixed up. Now you might be wondering, what am I going to put it in? Well, the answer is simple. Good old flat plate. So I'm going to start off putting these in, mix some of them up, making sure they get a good amount of apples and veggies mixed together. And we're going to hide all those goodies with some basic old... actually, we got to wash this first. Whoops. The apple was pre-washed and so was the parsley. I just forgot to wash the kale. Kale, super easy. Bunch it up just like the parsley. So all cut up. Let's keep going. Don't be afraid to use the whole vegetable. My ringnecks actually really enjoy this part, and I'm going to keep it to put it into their cage so they can chew on as a chew toy. So you got all that cut up. You don't have to dice it, but today I felt like doing a little bit more extra effort today because I messed up on the cleaning video. Made me feel really sad. Anyways, cover everything up. End product looks somewhat like this. I'm gonna pause and show you guys the feeding. Right, we are back in my room. We got a lot of action going on in the cage. Because I did clean up the nest, don't get me wrong. However, it is not on video. So, put the plate right here and let all the birds enjoy. Come on guys, pause the video and